Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Ford Ecosport gear knob. First, gather your tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, a new gear knob, and possibly a trim removal tool. Make sure your Ford Ecosport is parked on a level surface with the parking brake firmly engaged for safety. Knowing your specific gear knob attachment type will help ensure a smooth replacement process. Let's get started with the removal. Now, let's remove the old gear knob. Begin by gently prying up the gear gaiter, or boot, from its base using your trim removal tool or a flathead screwdriver. Be careful not to scratch any surrounding trim. Once the gaiter is lifted, you should see the retaining clip or collar at the base of the knob. Depending on your model, you might need to twist or pull the knob firmly upwards to release it. Some designs have a threaded connection, requiring a counterclockwise twist. With the old knob removed, it's time to install your new one. First, carefully align the new gear knob with the shifter shaft, ensuring it's oriented correctly. Apply firm, even pressure, pushing the new knob down onto the shaft until you feel or hear it click securely into place. If it's a threaded knob, twist it clockwise until it's tight. Finally, reattach the gear gaiter, ensuring it's seated properly around the base of the new knob for a clean finish. After installation, it's crucial to test your new gear knob. Start the engine and carefully shift through all the gears, including reverse, to ensure smooth engagement and proper function. Make sure the knob feels secure and doesn't wobble or come loose during operation. This quick check confirms everything is installed correctly and safely. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home. Enjoy your refreshed Ford Ecosport interior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.